Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, and we are arriving at Kunming Changshui International Airport. Dito yan sa Kunming, China, and this is actually a connecting flight and our layover is about 10 hours. So before our flight, we actually asked their ground staff doon sa Vietnam if they've got this transit hotel, but China Eastern Airlines don't actually have this kind of service. Kaya before this flight, we actually booked a hotel via trip.com, and I will be showing to you later kung ano nga ba yung itsura nung hotel na nabook namin. So upon landing and after going through the immigration, kinuha na namin yung baggage namin kasi we need to recheck it again tomorrow. So this is how their airport looks like, and actually yung service or hotel parang shuttle is already waiting outside. So yun yung maganda dun sa nabook naming airport hotel, as in literally yung name niya is airport hotel. They provide free shuttle service. So ito siya. It's actually around 11 p.m. and bukas pa yung ating flight, kaya we really need to have at least an accommodation. This one is actually very near. It's about 5 or 10 minutes drive away from the airport, and you actually have two choices. If you want yung medyo kumbaga mas comfortable, mas magandang hotel but definitely mas mahal na hotel, you can check in dito sa Mercure Hotel. So ang rate nila dito is nasa around 2,500 pesos per night, but then I'm talking about the short stay kasi kumbaga it's just for yung layover purposes. Pero kami, nag-check-in kami dito sa may airport hotel na nasa likod lang mismo nung unang hotel na pinakita ko sa inyo. So this one is actually cheaper, nasa around 1,000 pesos lang siya per night, good for 2 packs na din yun. Ayan, so this is how it looks like. It's actually parang very old siya. Para siyang apartment style na hotel. So I think this is their old hotel. Pero still, madaming mga foreigners ang nagche-check-in dito, and you can actually check their you can check the reviews sa mytrip.com. So upon arrival, pinakita lang namin yung booking number namin, and they can verify it immediately sa kanilang or dito sa front desk. And after nun, ready na lahat. So it has a free breakfast na din, and the staff will inform you kung anong oras kayo dapat bumaba for your airport pick-up or hotel pick-up tomorrow papuntang airport. So meron din sila ditong parang convenience store sa loob, so hindi nyo na kailangang lumabas. And since we are hungry, bumili lang kami ng konting snacks. If you are new to China, syempre you can try itong kanilang mga instant noodles and the others. So nandito na tayo sa ating hotel, and I will be giving you a quick room tour. Ayan siya. So actually it's very spacious siya. It's spacious for 2 person. Medyo old nga lang talaga dito sa loob ng kanilang hotel. So this one is yung kanilang shower area na glass. So I think sira yung curtain niya. Ayan. So this is yung kanilang pinaka-sink, and they've got some basic toiletries here. Ayan, kompleto naman siya nung mga toothpaste, shampoo, sabon. Ayan, they've got this toilet. I think it's actually a pretty nice hotel considering na 1,000 pesos per night lang siya. It has this very big mirror dito, or full-size mirror. May mga cabinets siya dito, hangers, may safe din actually dito nga sa loob. Ayan. And ano pa? Mga shelves. Actually, ang dami nilang shelves dito sa entry na area. This one is the main table. May mirror ulit dyan. And kumbaga yung basic na makikita nyo sa mga hotels, meron sila dito. So it has this queen size bed, 2 queen size bed. Ayan, so yung kanilang centralized na air conditioning is not working, although may air conditioner naman doon sa pinakadulo. So yun yung gagamitin natin kasi medyo malamig ngayon dito sa China. Ayan, they've got television, mga remote controls. And siya nga pala, if you're gonna be checking in this hotel, ang pinaka-disadvantage niya would be this. Kasi as you can see, tinted nga siya, pero kitang-kita nyo naman kung sino yung nandoon sa loob. So this is not really advisable for those na, alam nyo, medyo conservative. Siguro if you are a couple, you can make use of, or you can check in here. Pero if you are just like workmates, you are with your parents, kahit napatayin yung ilaw doon sa loob, talagang kitang-kita pa rin, diba, pag naliligo kayo. Kaya what we did with my friend is, or with my workmate, is habang naliligo yung isa, lumabas na lang muna yung isa to give each other privacy, diba? Pero kung you're a couple, wala namang issue doon, diba? So that's the air conditioner that I'm talking about. And ayan, may water sila dito. Literally, hindi kayo maubusan ng tubig kasi that's 5 gallons, I think. And ayan, so far so good naman. We're just gonna be staying here for around 6 hours. As long as makaligo kami, makapagpahinga before our flight tomorrow, we are good with the price. So again, medyo luma nga itong hotel na ito, medyo madumi rin yung carpet. Pero pwede na. If you want a better one, you can simply check in sa other hotels like the Mercure and other hotels. Ayan. So before we sleep, ayan, inayos lang muna namin yung air conditioner nila. And the next day, ayan, they actually provide free breakfast to their guests. And maganda naman, it's actually a buffet breakfast but mainly Chinese food yung ino-offer nila, which is nakakabusog rin naman, especially itong kanilang mga noodles, yung DIY noodles na masarap. You can try that one. They have some bread, coffee, porridge, mga fruits, dumplings, and a lot more. So kumbaga sulit na yung binayad natin dito sa kanilang hotel. So at around 8 o'clock, 2 hours before our flight, naka-ready na yung aming shuttle service sa labas kasi we're just 10 minutes, parang drive away lang naman from the airport. Ayan. So I think that's all for this vlog. And again, I wanted to say na walang free transit hotel service ang China Eastern Airlines. Kaya before your flight, make sure to book in advance para hindi kayo mamroblema. So that's all for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in our next travel vlogs.